So good morning. Wait, it's noon. So good afternoon. It's me here in Ryunohara. It's raining today. You can see the nice mist out there. Looks like a Chinese painting. Mori's in the car, and I'm going up the ladder now to remove more of these planks. These planks, which the previous tenant put up, maybe to keep out the coal, but it really isn't doing much. Thankfully, he left the ladder behind. And the other parts of the house, we have all this stuff which belongs to him, the previous guy. Even up there. And we have put everything he owns into this one room so he can come and collect it, hopefully by January next year. Everything from pots to water jerry cans to toasters to curtain hangers, luggage, vacuum cleaner, printer, lights, umbrella, everything. And the other thing that has to be removed is this wooden stove. Not wooden stove, but this stove, which is used to keep the house warm. It is very cold here, but it's causing the roof to leak. So I'm not sure if you can see the leakage. Well, it's not leaking right now, but in summer it rained and seeped down to the ground. Which brings us to the next point. This is really ugly, so we have to remove it, but removing it is not easy. I tried removing a piece with just a hammer and chisel. It didn't work. We'll need a jackhammer to remove all these things and return it to the original state, which is this dirt flooring. And at the moment you can see that dirt flooring is kind of sandy. It's supposed to be like this. It's actually all mud, but once you compact it down, it'll stay in place. And that's the whole point. It's supposed to breathe. This house was not breathing for quite some time with all the doors shut. Insulation put over everything. If you look over here, insulation even here. Not sure if it's full of asbestos. Probably is. You can see that thing peeking out there. We've removed most of it from all the siding, all the fusuma, which is the paper, which is this thing. Inside, there's probably more insulation, so that has to go also. But yeah, right now this is the state of Ryunohara. Okay, so time to remove more planks. Okay, getting up here is a bit difficult with one hand. Okay, that's the nails, the screws. And I bought this a couple of months ago for about a few thousand yen, $70 maybe, $80. One of the best purchases we need because the previous tenant just went crazy with his screws. Screwed in everything, nailed in everything, so lots of it to remove. Right. Not sure if keep watching, but just removing screws today. Alright, so as you can see, there's something strange here. It looks like many hands. It's just a web. There's nothing in here. But anyway, I wonder what's that from. Can anyone identify? Strings of webbing going here. It's quite sticky, but it can come off if I scrub it. Yeah, over here. But now See these planks which I don't think have any insulation. In fact, there's no insulation placed here anyway. Doesn't prevent the wind from coming in and out. Not much use, so it's coming off. Oh, okay, comes off. This is down nicely. Yeah, okay. It's down here. And these will be used for the compost heap as siding, probably, for the compost heap. Need lots of wood for that. Gonna make a huge one. More to go. No battery. Need some charging. Just 2 more pieces. Just 2 more. Come down first. So happens that that's not the last of it. There's also that in the distance. So I'll charge this up and it'll be done. This will be done later on in the afternoon. Okay. Charger goes. Let me see. Let me take this over here first. There's a charging point here. Guess what's this for? No, nothing. Let me just remove this. This one right here, and then okay, let's turn on. Now this goes in here, which turns red, which means, not sure if you can see, red means charging. And when it's completed, it will be flashing green on one side. Yep, so give it a few hours and it's time for lunch. Let's here first. Let's go have lunch. Oof, samui. Hi, Mari. Yes. Samui. Oh, you're cold. Okay, I'll turn the aircon on. Alright. Let's go for pizza, okay? I'll get you some pizza slices. Where do you kick off your blanket? Use your blanket, Murray. Your blanket's here. Okay, cover your butt. Cover your hands. Ooh, so wee. Yeah, this is covering you. Okay, stay there. You want a treat? Okay. Give you your chicken disc. Alright. I'm gonna drive off, so I'm gonna stop the video now.